Once you've tuned your output system, it's time to get ready for the band sound check. This is often the busiest and most pressured time for a sound engineer. He needs to name the channels, check the inputs are present, set the input gain, adjust the EQ, the gate, the compression to suit each instrument, voice and microphone. And he has to make sure everything sounds suitable for the surrounding environment. The larger the band, the longer it takes. Thankfully, the TF mixers are going to make such times easier and quicker for all involved. They've got a number of innovations that will support the sound engineer, helping them to be more efficient and effective. Firstly, the TF series mixers include practical presets for input channels. We call these Quick Pro presets. These are great sounding presets created jointly between Yamaha's R&D team, some major microphone manufacturers, and some highly experienced professional sound engineers. These presets are precisely tuned to match various types of microphone, voice, and musical instrument that are frequently used with live PA systems. To recall one of the Quick Pro presets, just select the channel and press this preset menu button below the screen. You can search by instrument type, and you can read the comments to check which preset is most suitable. Press Recall Channel, and there you have it. It includes EQ, compressor, and other functions, even the channel name. Fantastic! Remember the one knob EQ and one knob comp from the output channels? Some of the Quick Pro presets use these on the inputs too. So you have a super quick way to adjust the tone. And of course, you can create your own presets. Great if the musicians you work with are swapping around a lot. Keep one preset for each performer, or one for each of their instruments. If you know who's in the band in advance, you can recall their presets before they arrive. Surprise them with your readiness. Aside from naming the channel and recalling a preset, the first parameter to adjust will usually be the input gain. This adjusts the signal level coming into the mixer. Many people are unsure about the ideal input level, so the TF mixers will lend a hand. They're equipped with a gain finder function. This clearly shows when an ideal level is reached. Go to the gain page of the selected channel screen to see the gain finder function in the center of the screen, with a traditional input meter on the right. Adjust the gain so that the green area in the center illuminates for as long as possible. Done. Now your level is healthy. Not too loud to risk overload, not too quiet to generate background noise. Once the input gain is set, the parametric EQ can be used to shape the tonal color of the sound. You can use the one knob EQ for quick adjustment, or the full 4-band parametric controls with additional high-pass filter for detailed tweaking. With a multi-touch screen, adjusting EQ is a breeze. Stretch, squeeze, drag, sculpt that sound. If you choose to use the one knob EQ, there are two different modes, vocal mode and intensity mode. In vocal mode, all parameters are adjusted together, including frequency, gain and Q. When you first turn it, the high-pass filter is applied. Keep adjusting to cut more low frequencies. And then, the high frequencies get subtly emphasized. The EQ curve changes to provide a clear vocal signal, ideal for engineers with either little time or little experience. To use intensity mode, first you need to create a suitable EQ, or recall a preset, and then set one knob intensity mode. and all the gains get adjusted with a single turn. Use it to emphasize a guitar solo, or to adjust the sound when different speakers share the same microphone. You can even adjust the one knob EQ in the overview screen using the touch and turn knob, the super fast adjustment. It's a huge benefit to efficient live mixing for seasoned professionals and newbie engineers alike. The last great feature we're highlighting in this video is the one knob comp. It can take some time to learn how to use a compressor effectively, and there are a lot of parameters to adjust. However, TF, once again, makes it easy. Some of you might already be familiar with the one knob comp feature in the MG and MGP series mixers, which are popular among professional sound engineers. Turn clockwise to strengthen the compression and obtain a powerful sound at higher sound pressure level. It makes an otherwise complicated facility easy for anyone to use. Of course, all the parameters are there for the experienced users to tweak, but the one knob comp is going to be loved by those without the time or the knowledge to do the fiddly fine-tuning. See, once again, the TF gives professional results in an unbelievable short time.